Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. This is Erico Refrigeration 254. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. My channel is called Erico Refrigeration 254. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I have a washing machine here. It's an LG washing machine. You can see it. And it is showing error TE. Error TE means thermistor error. So we are going to show you what this error means and the effect of this error and how it can be sorted out. Please follow me on my channel. My channel deals with the repair of all electrical appliances. Please follow me on my channel. So when your machine is having this error, definitely I'm going to show you how you can sort it out. I'm going to show you where the problem is, and the error code is showing that the thermostat is faulty. So please watch my channel, subscribe, press the like button. For my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much. Continue to watch my channel. Continue to watch my channel and share it to your friends so that our channel can grow fast and fast. This is our LG washing machine today. You see, this washing machine is not working. It is showing this error. You see how it is blinking on the display. It is blinking, showing that machine is having the thermostat problem. So we are going to open the back cover. See the back cover of this machine. You are going to open it. You are going to use the screwdriver. You are going to use the screwdriver. I'm going to use the screwdriver. This is a star screwdriver to open the back cover of the machine, and I show you where the thermistor is. I'm going to show you where the thermistor is. There are so many errors which your washing machine will display. We have the inlet error, IE. We have the DE, it's a door error. We have so many errors in the washing machine, especially the LG washing machine. We have so many errors. But today we are going to deal with TE error. That means the thermistor error. So first, before you do anything, you must switch off the machine. You must switch off the machine for your safety. You switch it off for your safety. See, I've switched it off. After switching it off, see on your left side, on the left side of your machine, on the back of your machine, you have got the thermistor. The thermistor is this one. You are going to remove it out. See the thermistor here? You are going to remove it out. So sometimes it starts sometimes, so you have to use screwdriver to remove it out. Remove it out very gently. some pliers to remove it out. So long as you remove it so gently. It's most out. See, I remove it out already. This is our thermostat. You see how it is? It has got two terminals. This is the work of this thermostat to sense the temperature of water, the water temperature. You see this machine, it has having the selection. If you check the display, it's having the selection of the temperature. You see the selector of the temperature. See the selector of the temperature here. So it is the work of this thermostat to sense when the temperature, the set temperature inside has reached to optimum. You see the selection, the select pattern for the temperature. So this one is what we are going to change. Ready, I came with another one here. See this one? I came with another one here, which you are going to put. This one, this thermostat. I'm going to put this one. So you press it inside. Okay, now place it inside. Okay. So after placing it inside, after we have placed it inside like that, see how it is? It is there inside. It is this one. So after we are placing it inside, we're going to start our machine right now. We're going to start our machine. And remember always to put the power side protector. You see that this one, I've got power side protector. The power protector normally helps a lot, especially in areas where there's a lot of power fluctuation. Normally put the power side protector to help the machine in case of power fluctuations, which might damage the motherboard, the power control board, and other electrical parts. So if you have this power surge protector. Like this one is AVS 13 amperes. Then the machine will work well. Your machine will be safe. Your machine will be more safe. So after that, we are going to start our machine. We have to put the start button. Start button is this. We are going to start our machine. After that,